Hey guys, it's Gun Deity here, and I got something cool for you. This is a product review for a light from Warriorland. This is a weapons mounted light, really cool setup, and pretty budget minded, honestly. So definitely going to see this on the Budget Queen in the very near future. But this is a light from Warriorland. Full disclosure, Warriorland did send this out to me for review, along with another one for review. And they are not paying me any extra, but they do have a couple links in the description where you can get 10% off if you use my code GunDeity1. So if you guys want to check this out, definitely use that link and use GunDeity1. It's going to pop up right here on the screen, and get one for yourself. But we're going to go ahead and go over what's inside the box here. We got the Warriorland box, beautiful box, of course. It's got a very nice texture and gold inlays on there. Really nice. But inside the box, now this is cool because it comes with a kydex holster for the Glock 17, Glock 19. And I am doing my series on the Budget Queen, which is a Palmetto State Armory dagger. So having that and in this pattern is actually pretty nice. Now this is the MA1 Crossbow. This is a really neat little light. It is it is the world's first LED display light. So you got the little battery life. It tells you what setting you're on, and it gives it little Warriorland going scrolling across there, which is actually kind of nice. Now I will say it is 800 lumens when it's at full charge. Full charge does not last very long. It does diminish pretty quickly to the 500. So you get 800 for a little bit, but then it goes down to 500, which is still pretty darn bright. But what's cool about the MA1 is it is a light laser combo. So right now we have it set to just the light, as you can see. On the bottom here, you have a couple of switches, and right now we have it set on light. Then we could switch it right to the middle where there's light and laser, which is pretty cool, and you get a light and a little green laser. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera. It's kind of hard to see even in person, but let's go ahead and switch it to just green laser so you can see that by itself. So there we go, green laser. It's really neat. And it's just a quick switch of the button, and you can even switch it while it's on. So you can switch it right while it's on or off. It doesn't matter. It's actually pretty cool. Now, what's really cool is this one comes with a lot of stuff inside the box for the price. So inside the box, you get the light. You get, let's get this open. You get the product manual, of course. And the product manual is pretty descriptive. It goes over what everything is inside the box for, goes over all the different settings. And you get a bunch of rail mounts. And these are really cool because it is easy to switch between these rail mounts depending on the pistol that you're adding it to. So it's just a couple screws. You just pull the screws out, which the screwdriver is included. And this pops off, and you can put the next one on depending on what you're running, which is actually pretty nice. Now, of course, the biggest selling feature to this, besides the fact that it is a budget light, is honestly the fact that it comes with a holster. Because me personally, the hardest part about getting a budget light is finding a holster that is compatible with it. And I hate finding a really good deal on a light, or finding a light I really like and then finding out that there is no holster for it. So what's really cool is Warriorland does supply you with the holster right out the box, which is really nice. And they have it for multiple different guns, multiple different lights that they have in stock. But this one right now is for the Glock 17, Glock 19. I will say I have tried it with my Stoeger, and it seems to be fitting just fine with the Stoeger STR9C, sorry. But it is pretty cool that it does come with a nice kydex holster. Now it is inside the waistband, and it's got that high sweat guard, which is also really nice for carry. Also, one thing I didn't cover is that this guy is a rechargeable which is really nice. And what's cool is it comes with this little charging cable, and it just literally snaps on there. And this one's pretty good magnet. It snaps right into place and it starts your charging. But what's really cool is you can't put it in on reverse. It won't let you. So it only goes on one side. And because it's charging on the side, you can leave it mounted on the pistol, which is actually really nice. But definitely cool little product. And like I said, Warriorland did send this out to me for review. They are not paying me for this review. They don't get to look at it before you guys do. It's just a product review. Guys, don't dog me in the comments for taking a free product. But, you know, if you were in my shoes, you'd do it too. Definitely something cool. I did check them out at SHOT Show, and I did want to get in touch with them and get some of these. And honestly, I didn't expect them to send me one out for review. I thought I was going to have to buy one. So it is kind of cool that I didn't have to buy it. Now, that being said, this is a really cool light. It's like I said, it's got that 500 lumen right now. 800 is super bright. This one's not bad. It's got a decent hot spot, and then it kind of fades off into that flood there. And you'll see in my full review that it's actually a pretty decent light. Now, what's really cool about this guy, though, is... Let's see if I can get it on. There we go. It's got a moonlight setting, and that is on. It's just a little moonlight setting, made for, like, if you're just searching around for something in the dark. I don't know if you'd really need it on a service pistol, but it is cool that it has it. But definitely something cool to check out. And if you guys ever get the chance, definitely check the link in the description below where you can get the MA1 or the MA2. The MA2 is basically the same thing as this guy, except for it doesn't come with the laser on the bottom. That's pretty much the difference between them. But if you guys want to check one out, check the links in the description below. Use my code GUNDEITY1 where you can get 10% off on this guy through your next Amazon purchase. Definitely check it out. And guys, this is Gun Deity, and stay tuned for the full review of this light.
I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation. They call me a